Hi, my name is Sir Waish. A few days ago I came across an Instagram reel from a company that works in generating abstract art from datasets. Looking at it, I decided that I should give it a try, but with a different approach. I will be generating the 3D maps from using sentences and words, etc. So let's get started. Here is the code. Let's take a quick look at it, and then we will run this code. This Python code generates an abstract 3D art image using a given text as input. The colors in the image are determined by converting the text into binary data, which is then mapped to RGB colors. The shapes in the image are randomly generated and can be rectangles, squares, triangles, or ellipses. Here's a step-by-step explanation of the code. 1. The random, plotly.graph_objects, and NumPy libraries are imported. 2. The function text_to_binary, text, is defined. This function converts each character in the input text to 8-bit binary and returns a list of binary numbers. 3. The function binary_to_color, binary_list, is defined. This function converts the binary numbers into RGB colors by grouping them into sets of 3, and scaling them to fit the RGB color range, 0 to 255. If the length of the binary list is not divisible by 3, it is padded with zeros. 4. The function generate_abstract_art, text, is defined. This function generates the 3D abstract art. First, it converts the input text into binary data and then maps this binary data to colors. For each character in the input text, a shape type, rectangle, square, triangle, or ellipse, is randomly selected, and random points are generated for the x, y, and z coordinates of the shape. A color is also randomly chosen from the list of colors. Depending on the shape type, a 3D scatter plot is created using the generated points and color. The scatter plot is added to the figure. The layout of the figure is updated to hide the x, y, and z axes, and the camera position is adjusted. The figure is then displayed. 5. If the script is run as the main program, it prompts the user to enter a text. The entered text is passed to the generate_abstract_art, text, function to generate and display the abstract 3D art. Now let's run this code. Just so you know, I am using the script of this video as input. We will have to wait for some time to get the output. Now our graph is generated. It doesn't look very fancy from outside, but once we start to zoom into the graph so that we are almost at the middle of it, and then we start rotating our camera, it feels like getting into some other universe. We can generate this artistic graphs based on data of any kind. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Please give a like and share with others.